If your luxury vinyl plank flooring is looking dull, sticky, or just plain dirty, this video is for you. Many homeowners think vinyl is easy to clean, and yes, daily sweeping or mopping helps, but over time, dirt, grime, and buildup can sneak into the grooves, edges, and under the wear layer. Today, I'm showing you how to deep clean LVP flooring the right way, without damaging it, scratching it, or voiding any warranties, and I'll also show you how Flooring Dubai can help keep your floors looking brand new. Why deep cleaning is important. Even though LVP is durable and waterproof, dust, pet hair, spills, and cleaning residues can build up over time. This buildup can make your floor look dull, feel sticky, or even cause tiny scratches if you use the wrong cleaning method. Deep cleaning not only restores the shine but also protects the lifespan of your flooring, keeping it looking luxurious for years. What you need for deep cleaning. Here's what you'll need. A soft bristle broom or vacuum, without a beater bar. A microfiber mop. A bucket with warm water. pH-neutral vinyl floor cleaner. Optional, white vinegar or baking soda for stubborn stains. Never use harsh chemicals, abrasive brushes, or steam cleaners. These can damage the wear layer and reduce the life of your LVP floor. Step 1. Remove loose dirt and dust. Start by sweeping or vacuuming the floor thoroughly. Make sure to get corners, edges, and under furniture. Dust and grit can scratch the surface if you mop them around. For deeper dirt in grooves, you can gently use a soft brush to lift debris without damaging the plank. Step 2. Prepare your cleaning solution. Fill a bucket with warm water and add a few drops of a pH-neutral vinyl floor cleaner. For a natural option, you can use half a cup white vinegar per gallon of water, which cuts grease and adds shine. Avoid ammonia, bleach, or oil-based cleaners. These will damage your LVP. Step 3. Mop in sections. Dip your microfiber mop into the solution, wring well so it's damp, not soaking wet. Work in small sections, moving along the planks, not across them, to avoid pushing water into seams. Rinse and wring your mop often. Dirty water can leave streaks. Step 4. Handle stubborn stains. For tough spots like scuff marks, ink, or sticky residue, apply a small amount of the cleaner to a microfiber cloth. Rub gently in a circular motion. For very stubborn areas, baking soda sprinkled on a damp cloth can act as a mild abrasive without scratching. Avoid scrubbing too hard. LVP is durable but not indestructible. Step 5. Dry the floor completely. After mopping, use a dry microfiber cloth or mop to remove any remaining moisture. Even though LVP is waterproof, standing water can seep into seams or edges and cause swelling over time. This step ensures a streak-free, shiny finish. Pro tips for maintaining your LVP. Place door mats at entrances to reduce dirt. Use felt pads under furniture to prevent scratches. Sweep or vacuum weekly. Deep clean every 2 to 3 months depending on foot traffic. Following these tips keeps your flooring looking new and extends its lifespan. How Flooring Dubai can help. At Flooring Dubai, we don't just provide top-quality LVP floors, we also guide homeowners on proper care and maintenance. Our experts can recommend the best cleaning products for your specific LVP. Show techniques to remove tough stains safely. Provide professional deep cleaning services for high-traffic homes. With Flooring Dubai, your floors don't just stay clean, they stay flawless for years. Deep cleaning your LVP luxury vinyl plank flooring isn't complicated, but it does require the right tools, products, and techniques. Follow these steps, avoid harsh chemicals, and your floors will look brand new every day. And if you want expert guidance or professional cleaning, Flooring Dubai has you covered, because your home deserves flooring that lasts and shines.